SNDL Growers is a Canadian cannabis company. The company has been dealing with multiple problems and it still remains unprofitable. The company is still struggling to increase its sales of high-value cannabis products, but there are also things that give hope for the company. More than a year ago, the company was targeted by Wall Street bets, and the company used this opportunity to announce an offering. The company aggressively diluted shareholders' equity, and the number of shares outstanding increased a lot. This helped the company to improve its financial health. The balance sheet looks good right now, but remember that the company is unprofitable. During 2021, the company has made multiple key acquisitions. On March 31st, the company announced the closing of its acquisition of Alcanna, an alcohol retailer. The company also acquired Nova Cannabis, and management has made it clear that it likely won't be the last acquisition that the company takes on. The company now considers itself to have 4 operating segments: cannabis cultivation and production, cannabis retail sales, liquor retail sales, and cannabis investments. The company reported first quarter of 2022 revenue of 17.6 million Canadian dollars, representing a 78% increase year-over-year. These numbers do not yet include the Alcanna and Nova Cannabis acquisitions. Alcanna's first quarter revenue was 162.5 million Canadian dollars. This revenue wasn't included in Sundial's report. Nova Cannabis first quarter revenue was 49.8 million Canadian dollars with a gross margin of 9.4 million Canadian dollars. So apparently the company's revenue this year will be about $530 million. This means that price to sales ratio and enterprise value to revenue will be much lower than it is right now. I guess the stock is cheap right now. As I mentioned in another video, one of the main drivers for the development of the flower business, so to speak, will be legalization at the federal level in the United States. The full development of large brands in the United States has not started yet, as well as the opportunity to create full-fledged product distribution chains, because there is no approval at the federal level. However, it seems that the legislative initiative submitted to Congress in November 2021 has taken its toll. On April 1st, House passed bill to federally decriminalize the flowers, so to speak. This will remove the issue of providing financing and making payments by banks in favor of procedures of special goods, so to speak. I don't like dealing with so-called penny stocks and unprofitable companies because usually it doesn't end well. The chance to lose money is super high with these stocks, but this stock is not hopeless. Thank you for listening.